Do you find joy in baking? Well, we're getting some great ideas on what to make and how to decorate with beautiful treats that you can actually give as gifts.
Yes, and Carla and Lisa from Modern Pastry Shop are here with some adorable, delicious ideas. Ladies, this table looks amazing.
Thank you.
It's ready for a holiday party. Yes.
I know. You know what? We're all getting to that stage of what are we getting the teachers? What are we getting the babysitters, the mailman? So
that's the problem we kind of have, and I feel like everybody loves food.
Yeah,
and we think of the holiday and we think of sweets and things like that. So it's definitely a good gift-giving idea. You can, give somebody cookies. You can, I don't know. There's
panettone. That's
panettone, really popular for the holiday now.
And look at this is like a vegetable or charcuterie board, but you did it with all of your little desserts.
Yeah.
It's a great way to do ahead of time.
Yeah.
And you could plan to do little pastries and fruits, cookies, and you get a nice little sampling of everything. And it's easy. You put it on your table, and it makes a beautiful presentation as well.
I love a jar of Nutella.
Yeah. But for someone like you who bakes, or if let's say you're fortunate that people are giving you lots of little different things, it's a way to display them all, just a little sampling. Yeah. And I've seen this before, this idea of a cupcake wreath, but sometimes they make it look really difficult. You're showing us how anyone could do what you're going to show us.
It's super easy and it's very accessible for everybody.
All right. And we made some of the things out of fondant, but it's easy to find things that are store-bought. We had some of these little marshmallows and little decorations that you can decorate your own. So we were going to have you try and frost some of the cupcakes. And if you want, you can do any flavor cupcakes, and you can do them for any season. If you want to do something for fall or for the spring, you just change up your frosting colors and your decoration.
Oh yeah, it doesn't have to just be a holiday wreath. It could be for lots of things.
Definitely. We added a little inscription to do the happy holiday in the center, but you could change that out. So if you want to give it as a gift, or you could make it more personalized.
Is this cardboard, or what did you use for the base?
We did a cake board, but you can get even a pretty platter.
Yeah.
Okay. So what you want to do is you want to bake your cupcakes. You want to put them in a circle. To stick them down, we used a white chocolate just to let it dry. It will hold it in place.
So it's actually stuck on here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or
just in case you have to travel with it.
If you have to travel.
So it doesn't go anywhere.
Let's see your skills, Melissa.
I like to bake, but I'm not saying I'm good at it. Would I go around?
So start in the middle, and you're going to make kind of like a little swirl rosette. And
start in the middle and go around.
Yeah, so start in the middle. And
I feel like I should. Do you guys want to do one
Yeah,
first?
do an example.
We'll watch the experts first.
So you want to start in the middle, and you're going to pipe in a circle.
Oh, okay.
And you kind of want to go a little wider to connect them, so that way.
There shouldn't be any space. That's important to know. Okay, that's how it's going to look like a wreath.
Yep.
Make the icing
Perfect.
connect.
The pressure.
Good job.
Kara, it's all you.
Okay, let's see. All right, and we just use a regular pastry bag. Is there a kind of tip that you want us to do?
This is just kind of like a star dip that has, it's like with ridges. You could do it with or without. I like the ridges. Beautiful.
Nice.
Great job.
All right. It is easy.
So easy. Yeah.
And you can use store-bought frosting, like if you don't want to make it. Even though it's
Or we
easy to
can make it
frosting.
for you, and you can just decorate your own.
Yeah. Right, that was the thing. If we just go to Modern Pastry,
we'll make you a
you'll
kit.
have the green cupcakes.
You'll make the kit.
Yeah.
And we can go home and decorate it.
Why not? And then you just do it at home
great.
with your family. That's kind of the best part.
So then we would just, so you said if we don't want to make the fondant bow, we could, you have a fabric bow.
Just a fabric
You just
bow.
lay it on
You
there?
just lay it on there.
Okay.
Yep. And now you're going to decorate with all your fun little sugar
All right, here's
decorations.
some little holly leaves.
Okay.
And there's little berries.
Super
Now,
easy.
where could a regular person buy these little decorations?
Anywhere, craft stores, even some of the shops like Walmart, Target, they'll sell in their cake aisle some different sugar decorations. Like these I picked up at, I think it was at Walmart.
I love these little gingerbread guys.
The little
So cute.
gingerbread,
How did you guys do the gingerbread on yours? You
We just spread them out.
Right.
Yeah, just kind of spread them around.
Yeah, you
and then
can't do it
two little
wrong.
friends.
I feel like I need to put another snowflake over there so that it's like
Put it on this one here.
Put it on this one?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
I like the idea too of changing it up.
get
So
something on
different
this one.
seasons,
Little ornament?
different events.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got there? Okay.
But it makes a great gift, and it's also something that's really fun if you want to do it with your family, if you have children. They just get such a kick out of being all together and doing it. sticking it in there. Yeah. And if you want to personalize it, you could add a logo.
Thank you so much. Modern Pastry is located on Franklin Avenue in Hartford. For more information, you can visit them online. Thanks for being here, everyone.
Thank you.